Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is PlanPal. I am the developer of this plugin. In this video I will show you how to download and install and also how you can activate a 30-day free trial. First, open this website. I will put a link into the description below, and after that go to the download and hit the download button, which will automatically download all the necessary files. I have already downloaded it. As you can see, it's a zip file. First, you have to go to the properties and unblock this file, and after that you can unzip it here. After you have this folder, you can go to the Rhino and Grasshopper, where you can search for the special folders and the components folders, because this is where you have to put all these files. Just simply copy and paste it here. After you have done this, just reopen the Rhino and Grasshopper, and the plugin will work. As you can see, here we have all the new components that came from PlanPal. The only problem is that we don't have a working license, so that's why none of these components work yet. However, we have this trial license key component that can generate a trial license for us. You just simply have to create a boolean toggle and set it to true, and here you have your new trial license, which will work for 30 days. And in order to use it, you have to copy the data only and go back to the special folders in Grasshopper and look for the PlanPal folder what we have just downloaded. And here we have a license key text document which is empty, but if you paste this license key here and save, and you reopen the Grasshopper, the plugin will work properly. You can already see here PlanPal license expires in the 2nd of 26, and now this is January, so yeah, exactly 30 days. And we can start generating buildings with the plugin. Just show you some really simple example that it works. Oh, sorry. And yes, we have a building footprint here. Thank you for watching.